Students, this is the second session of refraction by lenses. We already know about the image formation of an object by lens. When an object is at infinity, the image is formed at the second focus of a double convex lens, which is real and diminished image. And in case of double concave lens, the image is virtual. When the object keeps on moving towards the double convex lens, the size of the image and image distance both continue to increase. And when the object comes between first focus and optical center of the lens, a virtual and diminished image is formed. In case of double concave lens, the image formed of an object is virtual, diminished, and on the same side where the object is situated. Using any ray diagram for image formation, we can derive the lens formula. Refer the diagram in which object is AB and its real and inverted image is A dash B dash. So that the object distance BC is equal to minus U, the image distance B dash C is equal to V, and the focal length CF is equal to F. Now consider the triangles ABC and A dash B dash C. We find that A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash C by BC. Also, in triangle A dash B dash F and triangle MCF, the ratio A dash B dash by MC is equal to B dash F by CF, or A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash F by CF, since MC is equal to AB. From equations 1 and 2, B dash C by BC is equal to B dash F by CF, or B dash C by BC is equal to B dash C minus CF by CF. Substituting the values, we get V by minus U is equal to V minus F by F. After cross multiplication, we get minus UV plus UF is equal to VF. And rearranging the terms, we get UV is equal to UF minus VF. Dividing both sides by UVF, we get 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula. Now the magnification. The magnification of a lens is defined as the ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object, that is M is equal to A dash B dash by AB, which is also equal to B dash C by BC. Applying the sign convention, we notice that for virtual image M is positive while it is negative for real image. In this diagram considered, M is equal to minus H dash by H, or M is equal to V by minus U, which is negative since image is real. There is one more term related to lens, and that is power of a lens. Power of a lens is the measure of the convergence or divergence caused by the lens to the light falling on it. A lens with shorter focal length bends the incident light ray more, while the lens of larger focal length bends the light less. Mathematically, power of a lens is defined as the tangent of the angle by which a light ray incident parallel to the principal axis at unit distance from the optical center is converged or diverged by the lens. That is, tan delta is equal to H by F. With H equal to 1, tan delta is equal to 1 by F, or simply delta is equal to 1 by f, since angle is very small. Therefore, power P is equal to 1 by f. The unit of power is diopter, which is denoted by capital D. 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. The power of a lens having focal length of 1 meter is 1 diopter. It is positive for a converging lens and negative for a diverging lens. For eye, a corrective lens of power plus 2.5 diopter is a convex lens of focal length 40 centimeter, and a lens of minus 2.0 diopter is a concave lens of focal length minus 50 centimeter. For practical purposes, as in designing lenses for optical instruments like telescope, microscope, camera, etc., combination of lenses are required for better performance. So, we consider the combination of lenses and its effect. Let two lenses L1 and L2 of focal length f1 and f2 are placed in contact with each other. The image of the object O is formed by the first lens L1 at I dash, which serves as virtual object for the second lens L2, which forms the final image at I. Therefore, for first lens L1, the lens formula is 1 by V dash minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F1. And for the second lens L2, the lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by V dash is equal to 1 by F2. Adding these two equations, we get 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. If the system of two lenses be regarded as equivalent to a single lens of focal length f, then the lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by f, and hence 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. We can extend this relation for any number of thin lenses in contact. For several thin lenses of focal lengths f1, f2, f3 and so on in contact, their effective or equivalent focal length is given by 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 and so on. The equivalent power of such combination is then P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. The benefit of taking lenses in combination helps in getting desired magnification, and it also improves the sharpness of the image. The total magnification M of the combination is the product of the magnification of individual lenses, that is M is equal to M1 into M2 into M3 and so on. So students, for today this much is enough to think about. Rest will be taken up in the next class.